Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically follow friends on the Vivino app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings. Then we scroll down, and here we have auto follow friends. What this means is that when we connect to one of the social networks shown above, the app is going to automatically follow our friends on those social networks that have a Vivino account. So for example, if you have a friend on Facebook who uses the Vivino app, we are going to automatically follow them on the Vivino app. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.